Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's have the solution for question 2 in exercise 5.2. We are going to look at the second subdivision. Find dy by dx. The expression given here is log x the whole power x. So I'm going to equate this whole function to a variable y. So y is equal to log x the whole power log x. Now I'm going to take logarithm again on both sides. So take log on both sides. So this will become log y is equal to log x into log x. Now let's understand two things. First is the logarithm formula. So log a power m is equal to m log a. Now here you see this is the base a that you need to compare, right? So log of log x, and this was the power, so I pushed it down here. So log y is equal to log x log of log x. Now we start the actual differentiation. So differentiating with respect to x. So on the left side, it will be 1 by y dy by dx, because first I need to differentiate log y, so it is 1 by y. Then I'm going to differentiate it with respect to x, so it is dy by dx is equal to, now this section you treat it as uv. So log x is a u, log of log x this v. So this I'm going to treat as uv. U dash is nothing but 1 by x. Now let's compute v dash. V dash is actually 1 by log x into, again I have to do a d by dx of log x, so it is 1 by x. So v dash is 1 by x log x. Now let's write u v dash, so it is log x into 1 by log x, x log x plus v u dash, so it is log of log x divided by x. I'm writing the 1 by x in one shot. So here the log x and log x will vanish. So this will be actually 1 by x plus log of log x by x. So I can take the 1 by x common outside. So this will be 1 plus log of log x. So this is my differentiation. On this side, the left side is still 1 by y dy by dx. So what we actually need is dy by dx, because that is a differentiation of the input function. So the next part is to take this 1 by y the other side. So dy by dx is equal to y into 1 by x. So I'm taking it outside here. So this is 1 plus log of log x. Now y is just the name that you gave to the input function, so you can replace it back again. So this is going to be log x the whole power log x into 1 by x, so I'm putting it down here, into 1 plus log of log x. That is the differentiation of the input function log x to the power log x. In the next video, we will see solution to the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.